Hey guys, this is Akshita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज की वीडियो में we're going to be seeing all the things that I have bought off of Instagram. So now what does that mean? हम लोग आजकल a lot of product recommendations Instagram पे ही देखते हैं. We see all the products first on Instagram. There are ads also and reels and posts and everything. तो आज I'm going to be showing all the things that I have discovered on Instagram and then I have bought them eventually and how they've worked for me and everything. We're going to be looking at clothing, skincare, a little bit of jewelry, makeup, body care and all of that. So yes, watch the whole video and let's get started. So disclaimer, if you feel like my face is swollen, it's because I've had a tooth extraction surgery thoda recently and it's a little swollen. So yes, just like putting it out there so you don't feel like something's not right with me. And yeah, now we're gonna get started. So first we're gonna be looking at clothing items. So the first dress that I have is this one. So this I bought last year for my birthday and this was also an Instagram store. मैंने इनका कोई और ड्रेस का I think some ad or something like that and I really loved that dress. So when I went through the whole website, I found this and it's so pretty. The website, I think the brand is called Diamond Lady. Yes, that is what it's called. It's called Diamond Lady and they have some very unconventional pieces and like really vacation type ka stuff if you're looking for it. This is like a full length maxi dress. I'll put pictures somewhere here and yeah, it looked really good on me. I got so many compliments and I loved the way it looked. इसका ना बस एक इशू है कि इशू भी नहीं है, इट्स अ कॉर्सेट सॉर्ट ऑफ मतलब जो पैटर्न है थोड़ा कॉर्सेट टाइप है. तो इफ़ यू गोना बाय इट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड आई वुड सजेस्ट साइजिंग अप वन साइज क्योंकि एकदम ही प्रॉपर सिंच्ड फिट है. तो इफ़ यू आर रियली श्योर अबाउट योर बॉडी मेजरमेंट्स गो फॉर द साइज दैट यू नॉर्मली गो फॉर. इफ़ यू आर नॉट आई वुड रिकमेंड साइजिंग अप थोड़ा सा, वन साइज ओनली. अभी मेरा ऐसा है कि आई एम समवेयर बिटवीन S and M, तो आई ऑफकोर्स हैड टू गेट एन M एंड देन गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड. बट येस, ओवरऑल वेरी वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. इट फील्स प्रीमियम एंड आई लव द फैब्रिक. सो इनसे आई थिंक आई हैड गॉटन द रॉन्ग आइटम. मैंने 2 बार ऑर्डर कर दिया था तो मुझे स्टोर क्रेडिट मिला था तो मैंने एक और टॉप भी लिया था. दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव वोन एंड आई विल पुट द पिक्चर्स. And this is how it looks. I love the top. Peplum is like my favorite type of top and I love how it looks on me. It suits me very well. It's like the right body type for me and काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, काफ़ी pretty है and very very nice. I really love. Again the fabric is very nice. I love how it looks on me. तो हाँ, price wise अगर हम देखें तो I felt like the top was a little more expensive than the dress. Like the dress I got for like 1800 but just the top was for 1200. So I don't understand the pricing that way. But yes, still affordable. You can definitely try it out. They have some really good mini dresses and very good formal shirts also. So yes, I will and yes, I will obviously link down every item that I'm showing in the description so you all can go and check it out if you. We have this dress. It's like a mini dress that I also wore very recently and हाँ ये again there was this one influencer जिसका मैंने वीडियो देखा था. She was wearing this dress and this is from Zudio. Yes, I was also a little shocked, but I love the color. I love how it fits me. I just love everything about it. And this is, I had discovered this on Instagram. और मैं सिर्फ इसी ड्रेस के लिए वीडियो स्टोर गई थी और मैं सिर्फ यही ड्रेस लेके आई एंड आई लव्ड इट. ये भी अगेन मैंने मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम पे ही लिया था अराउंड 2024. इसका लिंक आई माइट नॉट फाइंड बिकॉज आई बॉट इट इन द स्टोर बट येस आई डिस्कवर्ड दिस on Instagram and yes, it's very pretty. I love it. Moving on, the next item is of course this basic white full skirt नाउ दिस आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव सीन इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ये एकदम ऐसा coquette core trend में है, where you can like style it with the top, or you can also style it in a traditional way, and it's very multi-purpose. And honestly I haven't used this even once yet, and मैंने इसको कहीं पे तो वेकेशन जाने के लिए बचा के रखा था, बट नहीं गई हूँ मैं वेकेशन पे जब से मैंने इसको लिया है क्लियरली. तो येस, आई एम वेटिंग टू स्टाइल दिस, बट आई जस्ट ये मैंने मीशो से लिया था. एंड दिस एवरीवेयर नवरात्रि में तो ये काफ़ी ट्रेंड कर रहा था. नवरात्रि में ऑल्सो आई वांटेड टू स्टाइल इट बट आई कुड नॉट. बट येस, दिस वॉज फ्रॉम मीशो एंड आई पेड वॉट लाइक 300 समथिंग फॉर दिस, एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर 300 के लिए तो अच्छा है. वेरी मल्टीपर्पज़, you can use it as a traditionally, or if you just want to style like a top with it, it would work. So yes, I'm moving on. Let's get to jewelry. Now jewelry में मेरे पास इतना कुछ दिखाने के लिए नहीं है, but I'm sure most of us have seen ऐसे type के bracelets or whatever handcuffs or something that not handcuff but हाँ like hand accessories जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है. एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टोर्स दैट सेल दीज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एंड आई हैव बीन बम्बार्डेड विथ एड्स ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइम. तो जब मेरा लास्ट मंथ मेरा जो लाइमलाइट अवार्ड्स था, जो फंक्शन था ऑफिस का, तो उसके लिए आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग, एंड Blinkit came to the rescue. Yes, I bought a bracelet off of Blinkit. It's from the brand called Jewels Galaxy. And oh my god, I just love it. I love how premium it looks, and it is very pretty. It is very pretty. It has this texture sort of a thing, and even when you wear it, it's so pretty. I love how it looks, and this is like a nice. You can wear it with Indian, you can wear it with Western stuff, and like really nice. This was again under 300. I'm sure 200, 250. I've paid something around that. And yes, I got it from Blinkit, guys. Yes, you can definitely look for it. The quality is also very nice. And इसी के साथ ना, I also ordered earrings from the same brand. So I don't know why people know what earrings are. Shut up. So this is the set of earrings. Of course, one is missing because I must have used it. But yes, these are the kind of hoops that are very much in trend right now. And of course, I've seen them on Instagram, people styling these a lot. And these go really well with like formal stuff or like dresses and all. And I love it. Like every one of it can be used अलग से, and like the styles are also so different. This was also under 300. This was also 200 250 के आसपास. And for like 250 this is like really nice. Like मैं अगर लोकल मार्केट में भी जाऊँगी, मुझे 1 पेयर 100 के आसपास मिलेगा. तो इतने सारे आई लव इट. लाइक टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी, एंड इसका कुछ फेडिंग वगैरह भी अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है. इट्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल्ड जूल्स गैलेक्सी ओनली, अगेन एज आई मैंशन बिफोर. तो इसका ऑल्सो लिंक I'll be putting in the description box. You can go check the brand. Moving on, now we're going to look at some skincare and body care products. So let's first start with skincare. So for skincare, I have these two products from Aqualogica, and this cutest packaging ever. This is a moisturizer. This one's a sunscreen. And oh, I just found out today that the founders of Aqualogica, Mama Earth के जो founders है, Aqualogica is उनका only brand. इतना अलग अलग है, but yes, and it is their creation. And oh my god, I love the packaging. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. This is the sunscreen, and yes. तो इसका ना आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट वेरी रिसेंटली. आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ सनस्क्रीन सिंस अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. मेरा स्किन टाइप इज़ ऑयली, तो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू फाइंड द राइट काइंड ऑफ सनस्क्रीन एंड मॉइस्चराइजर ऑल्सो फॉर दैट मैटर, क्योंकि इट जस्ट बिकम्स वेरी चिप एंड फिर ऐसा हो जाता है कि माइट एज वेल नॉट यूज इट, अदरवाइज माई स्किन उल्टा लुक्स फ्रेशर देन आफ्टर मी अप्लाइंग इट. तो आई वॉज ऑलवेज इन सर्च. एंड एक्वालॉजिका का एड्स इतने आते बहुत आते थे. एंड देन आई वाज considering ki hey maybe, but then a friend of mine suggested that it's actually good and I can give it a try. So I was like, let's do it. I went for it and I bought it, and I'm so glad I did, because it literally vanishes onto your skin. Like, look at it, there is no white cast. It just gets absorbed so well, so well, and that is exactly what I wanted in a sunscreen, and it's working out really well for me. This is the moisturizer. I live for everything cute and I live for everything packaged cute. This is a moisturizer. They unka, I think it's still live. They have a buy one get one sale going on, and I bought the sunscreen, I got the moisturizer for free, and even the sunscreen is really nice. The moisturizer is also really nice. The consistency is very gel like, which is what I always look for in moisturizers as well. So it has worked out really well for me. The only like, it's not even an issue, but I just want to mention it, that the sunscreen does not really have a smell. It sort of almost has like a pungent smell, which it's not chemically, but it is something. It's not very pleasant, but it does the job. I mean, it definitely does the job. But हाँ, थोड़ा वो smell का थोड़ा I do feel, but otherwise it's really nice, and I would highly recommend. If you are also a oily skin person, I would definitely recommend. So please go and try these out. मैं हूँ, मतलब अगर तुम मुझे 4 एड्स दिखाओगे ना इंस्टाग्राम पे किसी भी चीज़ के, मैं खरीद लूँगी. मैं हूँ वो इंसान, मैं बिक जाती हूँ जल्दी, मैं जल्दी ले लेती हूँ, मैं हो जाती हूँ मैनिपुलेट ब्रांड से. I am that person. तो this is exactly what the next product is. This is the Foxtail का Radiance Mask. It was so viral बीच में. Everybody was trying it. There was Ori का video about it, and everybody was trying it. Of course, there were a lot of ads. एक बार 2 बार. Maybe let's just try it. और मैं हो जाती हूँ मैनिपुलेट. गरज है नहीं है ले लेती हूँ. ठीक है, ऐड आ रही है 4 बार. I am the right target audience for ads, for sure. तो हाँ, तो ये I used it just today. I'll be adding like videos here of me applying and like using it, but it does the job. It works, and it works. And how? They claim that it helps you in reducing pores and like removing blackheads and stuff. And I could see the difference in the first use itself, and I really, it's really good. The consistency is also very aisa creamy, like sort of like multani mitti consistency. They also give you like a nice spatula for you to apply it and stuff. It's purple in color. The color is so pretty, but yes, it does the job. It definitely does the job. And as I mentioned earlier, मेरा oily skin है तो मेरे concerns थोड़े से रहते हैं, but this did work well for me, and I would really recommend you trying this out. I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, and it really, in the first go, I could see a difference. There was a very visible difference. हाँ, it does work. So yes, definitely try this out. This product you should definitely try. I think it's for like 400 something after discount, which is I think fine only. You can like try to see, and quantity भी इतना है कि it will work for like I think a month or so. So you can use it religiously for like at least 2 times in a week. And yes, I'm looking forward to using it. I might just post a review on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram if you don't yet. And I don't know why you don't follow me on Instagram yet, but like yeah, just go. Next product is this body scrub by Wild Oak. Now I know this was a collaboration. I got it in collab, but oh my god, it works so well. It's sort of like a body scrub, but sugar based body scrub, and this one's like a lemon flavor, lemonish something. It has shea butter and everything. Oh my god, it makes your skin so smooth after you use it. You just like scrub it and wash it off, and it works really well. I really love the smell also, and it genuinely does exfoliate your skin, and it leaves it hydrated and moisturized, and I really love it. So yes, this also you can try it out, and I don't think it's very expensive as well, so you can definitely check it out. So for the last product for the day, we have saved the best for the last, I've been meaning to post a review of this also on Instagram, but I haven't gotten. It's the Mars ka setter and blotter gel compact. Yes, it's a gel compact. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Yet Mars thought of it. But yes, I this one तो I've genuinely gotten through the link thing कि आप अगर जब भी if you follow me, आपको हर रील पे मेरी दिखेगी ये कमेंट लिंक सब I'm a hoarder, I'm a link hoarder at this point. So yes, I bought it off that way. I think I bought it from Amazon, again under 300 400 I'm sure. I will leave the link in the description again. It's gel, it's literally gel, and oh my god, the color is so pretty, and it's like ऑयली स्किन के लिए ना ये ऐसा चमत्कार है क्योंकि तुम कितना भी आई फेस दिस चैलेंज व्हेन आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप बट देन माय स्किन गेट्स सो स्वेटी सो क्विकली, but this helps to set everything up after you've done your makeup, and you won't feel oily. It will give you that matte finish, and I really love it. If you want, I can do like a trial pic right now. See, I've just applied a little bit. Yes, you see the side, you see this side, and you can see like oil and like everything. But this side it's like smoothened a little bit. Now if I do, you see that difference? Do you see it? It like just smoothens out, and like it just works. I don't know what it is, but it just works, and I absolutely love this purchase. It's also very affordable, so you can definitely check this. So this was it for the video, guys. I hope you find something that's valuable to you, something that's useful, and if you try any of it, please let me know. Please let me know on Instagram or YouTube or wherever you want me to, and please follow me on Instagram if you don't yet. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I would definitely love any recommendations or something that you would want me to do, and any other sit down videos that you would want me to do, make a series or something, whatever. And I'm definitely planning on posting more consistently. But yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you get something out of it, and yeah, please like, share, comment, and do all the good things that you always do. Please keep supporting. See you in the next video. Bye.